feet are freezing. It's got her stick. Too deep?
I could have made it out. I thought you could have made it to the...
Oh yeah, because where that sunlight is.
Yeah.
It doesn't look as good here. How you holding up?
Good. Let's see. 6 miles.
Dudes are getting after it. Any dude doing this wearing a cowboy hat means business. Might be the only person out here without a stick, and a lot of people have told me how brave it is, but I'm just cheap and stupid. I need a stick.
Oh, yeah, the next divot. Oh, exactly. I didn't want to get this, you know.
Should I not go all the way in?
No, I think you're fine. I get used to it.
I only gotta be here once. Whew.
I've been wanting to do that. There's a big moving rock right there.
Get out of my face.
We are almost back to the beginning. And this was not flowing like this when we walked by however many 4 hours ago. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. How are we feeling after 8 miles?
Very tired.
A lot of people are just getting started.
Yes. We are ready to be done. The end is not in sight.
Getting deep again. The end is in sight. Oh! Every time you get dry. Getting very crowded though. Wasn't like this when we came in. Bunch of bros now. Tripped over a big rock.